A warm welcome to all my sweet little children. So today, as usual, we are making something for Christmas, right? So we are making a poinsettia flower today. We'll need 4 pieces of paper for this. So to make the leafy part, we'll need a 15 into 15 centimeter paper and 2 papers like that. And then if you cut this into 4 pieces, you will need 2 of those for the flowers. Right, let's make it now. Now fold it in half like this. Then open it up and fold it in again. Then now turn it around and bring the lower corner to the upper corner. Do the same thing on the other side. Now open it up and push the 2 sides in. Then you get 4 small squares from the 1 big square. Now fold it in half like this to mark the middle of the paper. And then this corner, the flap comes to the middle. The same goes with the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. The flap goes to the middle. Now, slowly open it up. Now, once you open it up, you'll see that there are different patterns going on it, and they look very pretty as well. So, can you see a Yama horizon here on your left hand side? Take that and put a little cut from here to here. Not the whole thing, just until the center. Okay, now this part you have to fold in, and this outer part, can you see that there's a triangle here? So it's a Yama horizon and then a Thani horizon. So make the Thani horizon a Yama horizon by pushing it in. Now there's a Thani horizon here. Fold it in so that you'll get a Yama horizon. Do the same thing all around the paper. Now see what you got. Now here, can you see this edge? Bring it down like that. Can you see? It comes to the middle line of the other leaf. Then can you see, don't push this here in the middle here, because it'll crumple the paper. Then what you do is you turn it around and then push your finger in like this and push it down like this so that it looks neat on the other side. Isn't it nice? Do the same thing to the other leaf as well. Push it down and then bring it to the middle line of the other piece of paper, which is another leaf. Then slowly push it down, and when you turn around, if you have folded it properly, the shape would be here on the other side as well. Do the same thing to the other leaf. See how it looks on the back, because you have folded it properly. Now we need 2 parts like this. Now let's paste it. So these corners, you have to paste them in first. Then this corner needs to be pasted to the middle of this leaf. Now see, this is how we are going to paste it. So this corner and paste it in. Now push it down. Now you have the wreath. Now with the same way, in the same way, with a red piece of paper, I made the poinsettia flower. And I'm pasting it inside. For the middle part of the flowers, we can use little circular pieces of paper like this. It can be white in color or yellow in color. Now look how pretty they are. So if you make them bigger, you can use them for any decorations, for any wall art as well. So stay tuned with us for more and more creations just like this. I will see you soon. Goodbye.